Today, we're making delicious bratwurst sausages in just a few simple steps. Ingredients: 4 bratwurst sausages, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 large onion, sliced, 1 bell pepper, sliced, optional, bratwurst buns, mustard, or your favorite toppings. Instructions: First, heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and bell peppers and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Next, place the bratwurst sausages in the pan. Cook them for 12 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are golden brown and fully cooked inside. For extra flavor, add a splash of water to the pan during the last few minutes and let it simmer. Lightly toast the buns if desired. Place each bratwurst in a bun and top with the caramelized onions, peppers, mustard, or any toppings you like. Serve hot and enjoy this classic German-style sausage that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or a backyard cookout. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.